Hey my gators, welcome back to another satisfying video. I'm not going to talk much in this video, but here you have my island, and I am the single mom versus the fixer-upper, so I'm always doing projects, and this island looks like this majority of the time. And I try to every couple months just like clear my mind and not feel like it's so discombobulated looking at this island, because it is in my kitchen, and I'm in my kitchen often doing a lot of cooking and a lot of baking. And today was the day where I said, you know what, we're going to clean this island, and I'm just going to let you guys watch me as I clean it. If you enjoy videos like this, talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. So I hope this is satisfying and allows you to go and tackle something that's been in your brain or on your mind to do, but you just procrastinated. So enjoy, and I'll talk to you in the comments. Later, gators.